Okay, let's see if I'm going wrong anywhere here. Got this log house that we bought. It's been neglected in maintenance. I'm trying to get it, I don't know what the right word is for it, restored, re-maintained. The caulking between the logs is obviously aged, and looks like someone, the previous owners, maybe did some spot stuff, but really the whole house needs it. There's checks all over the place. It needs stained, but I'm gonna do these checks. With some caulk, and I just put some backer rod and a few here, so this is my first batch I'm gonna try. That's a single tube. See what I need to figure out. So got these logs ready, I think. The backer rod is just, I guess, just to help, so you don't need as much caulk to fill it, to fill the gap, and kind of helps the caulk. So I've sanded out some of those checks, and I'm going to use this log builder, which is, I guess, the caulk more for the sealant for the checks, rather than the chinks, which are the gaps between the logs. I need to get some different stuff for that. I guess I don't need to, but there's stuff that's more made for that. Now this stuff says shelf life 1 year from manufacture date. I don't know what the manufacture date is of this. Couldn't find it. Didn't look too hard. We'll see if it works. Previous owner had it here already, so I am going to do this.